Hello everyone, welcome to Academic Dream Channel. As you know, Academic Dream Channel is a channel in which we are continuously discussing about different topics, courses, syllabus of B.Ed course. Today, in the continuation of our discussion, we are going to discuss a very important topic, and the topic is taken in the form of question. The question is, what innovative practices would you like to suggest for effective transaction of curriculum? Let us see the question once again. What innovative practices? Innovative means some new, modern and effective practices would you like to suggest for effective transaction? Transaction means giving or transacting or make something rich to someone. So effective transaction of curriculum is very important concept in teaching learning process. So effective transaction, in more simply we can say that how we can make our teaching effective through the medium of particular curriculum, or how we can ensure that our children have learned certain content effectively. So transaction is very important matter, which means just giving the curriculum to the children or teaching a particular content to children. So ultimately, more simply, if we analyze the question, we can realize that effective transaction of curriculum, that means taking the curriculum to the children effectively, or just a curriculum, just how we can make the curriculum easy and effective through the medium of teaching. Okay, let us try to come to the main point now. The answer we can write in the form of some points. We will discuss just point. Which point we can write to answer this question. So first of all, we can say that number one, determine target student. That means for whom we are going to teach or transacting the curriculum. So way of transacting the curriculum for primary level is different from secondary level, and secondary level is again different from higher level. So target group should be determined first. Secondly, developing goals and objectives. As far as possible, we should determine the goals and objectives of particular curriculum, and which should be student oriented. Number three, choosing instructional strategy. Choosing instructional strategy means how we can make teaching learner oriented, or the technique or the approach or the ways and means or the methodology which can make teaching learner oriented, that should be chosen, and that should be chosen by the teacher. And at the same time, while we choose particular instructional strategy, it should be considered that a particular strategy or a number of strategies may be selected. Number 4, consider logistic, that means logical way. It means very simply the curriculum should be logically arranged and logically ensure to reach the curriculum to the children. Number 5, number 4, consider logistic. Now let us see number 5, that is develop assignments, developed assessment. I mean to say develop assessment, not assignment. So we should assess whether particular curriculum is effective or not, whether the particular curriculum reach to the children in right way or not, whether our children is benefited with the curriculum, that should be assessed. And finally, number 6, we can say that evaluate effectiveness. It means we should see whether the curriculum is really effective for the children, whether after learning the particular curriculum, whether our children has changed their behavior or whether their behavior is improved. In this way, a number of ways can be utilized or used to evaluate the effectiveness of particular curriculum. So transaction of curriculum is very important matter, and it should be considered by all the teacher that the effectiveness of particular curriculum depends upon the effectiveness of transaction of particular curriculum. So for this purpose, we can utilize a number of methods and techniques, a number of ways and means, and by any means, effective transaction should be innovative, considering the present situation, present technological environment in this world. I think so you all have understood the concept. We'll meet once again by taking some new concept. Till then, thank you.